All right, everyone, on to my favorite. This is a first for Serenity knives and definitely one of the cooler things that's going to be in. We hope to get more knives in like this from different makers, not just Buck. I know Benchmade has one and some other companies as well. But this is our first dual action, and I'll tell you what I mean by that here in a little bit. But this is the Buck RapidFire dual action knife. It's going to come with a satin blade, 3 inches, S30V steel, and really cool blue accents all over this guy, as you can see back here, just that jipping along with that anodized blue, cool removable pocket clip, and that blue accent right here for this thumb stud. This is actually removable, which I'm hoping Buck is going to start doing some cool little things with these guys, maybe some different colors, some different looks and feels. But overall, really cool knife. I really dig the kind of grooving on this handle and how this kind of adds a little bit of that texture right here. The jimping back here surprisingly does give you a good grip. Nice, fits really well in the hand either way, whether I put my finger up here or I've got it full. And this is just one of those really, really nice blade steels. So, dual action, a lot of people are going to ask me what that is, so pay attention here, guys. As you can see, there's a liner lock. So when I close and open this knife, it's real easy for me to do that. And that's one of the actions. So as I open this knife one-handed with just the thumb stud, I also close it with a liner lock doing that. But this is where we get cool. This is an automatic. So this guy right here, if I just move him that way, I'm gonna get a nice deployed blade. Now this is really cool, guys, because not only do you get an automatic knife, but for people who can be a little scared to that, you can just open this knife up like that, which is a cool feature. I love this so much just for that feature. And you actually don't have to worry about closing it on that blade if you open it that way. Closing it on the spring if you close it that way. When you deploy this with the spring, what ends up happening is you have to close with that same spring. So you're fighting that resistance right there, guys, as you can see, right? But that's kind of what you get when you open an automatic or an assisted knife. So I'm completely fine with that. When you deploy it deliberately, it will open deliberately. And it's one of those things that is just great with an automatic knife, but just having this action of doing that without having to scare anybody is just so cool, guys. So, once again, the Buck RapidFire dual action knife, guys. Check it out, serenityknives.com.